So today we are going to use ChatGPT to create a social media marketing agency using the 5 R's. Let's recall the role. All right. What type of role do you want the GPT to identify as? What are you requesting? All right. Next, the results. What type of results do you want? What's the reasoning? And then, of course, refine. All right. So let's get into it. Role. I want to create a social media marketing agency. Now, what's important to remember here is based in December, base it in December 2024 and preparation for the year 2025. This is my goal. I want you to play the role as social media marketing agency expert and guide me on the journey for the process for establishing my online business. Enter. It's thinking. Alrighty. So, of course, it's going to tell you to define your niche, develop a business plan, right? Set up your online presence, build your brand, legal and financial setup, right? Establish tools and processes, create a marketing strategy, launch and scale. All right. So at the end here it says, would you like help with any specific part of this? All right. Now, remember the 5 R's. That was our request, and now we have the results. All right. But the real question is, hey, ChatGPT, how did you get to this answer? Explain your reasoning. Now, this is where, when it's going to explain its reasoning, do you agree with this reasoning, or is there something you want different, right? So let's say, for example, my reasoning for this roadmap is based on the practices, right? Actionable steps align with typical progression of starting a business. All right. Now, right here, let's say typical progression. Base this on a non-typical progression and create a to-do list graph for me to complete these efforts in 30 days or less. Provide links to these efforts for someone who lived in Palm Beach County, Florida. So you can see it's establishing your unique value proposition. It's providing links and resources, how to register your name. There's the link. Resources, local business tax receipt, your zoning compliance, week 2, building out your campaign, right? Networking, client acquisitions, right? Look at these links. Look at what it's just doing. Okay. You all know that this typically would have taken at least half a day to get these particular links, right? So we have all these here, but what it didn't do was put it in a table, right? So I'm going to ask it, please put this in a table format starting January 1st, 2025 to the end of the month. Let's see what it comes up with. So it gives you the date of when you should complete the task, right? So, with the resources still attached. So every day you have one thing to do, a to-do list. All right. Check this out. Register. All right. Sure zoning. Develop guerrilla marketing strategy. Create minimalist website. Right. establish your profile. And every day there's one task, and it's breaking it up. Develop a referral program, curate a portfolio, right? Client management tools, launch a soft opening, and then your marketing strategy. Okay. So, what we just did in a matter of probably maybe 5 minutes, we just created a 30-day plan to create a social media marketing agency here. And you can easily, you can ask, um, make this table a PDF so I can download it. So after it gets downloaded, right, the file comes here. And then if you look right here, this is where how it comes out. That doesn't look good. So what I like to do is come here, make sure you highlight the whole table, copy that, right? And then you come here to your sheet, hit the Control V. Now you got it where you can utilize this how you see fit. Social media marketing agency, January to do list. All right. And that's pretty much it, everybody.
Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of AI. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are curious about the future of technology. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI, innovation, and how we can thrive in this evolving landscape. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Let's continue to explore and shape the future together. See you in the next video.